Mastering idioms. Understanding flat on your back. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our series on mastering English idioms. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, flat on your back. This idiom is more than just words. It's a vivid picture painted with language. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of this expressive phrase. Initially, let's break down the phrase, flat on your back. Literally, it depicts a person lying down on their back, completely horizontal. Imagine someone lying on a bed or the ground, facing upwards, not sitting or standing. This physical position is the foundation of the idiom's metaphorical meanings. 2.1. Health or illness. When used figuratively, saying someone is flat on their back often refers to illness or incapacity. It paints a picture of someone who is too sick or injured to get up. For example, after the surgery, he was flat on his back for weeks, suggests that the person was bedridden and needed time to recover. 2.2. Vulnerability or defeat. Another shade of meaning pertains to a state of vulnerability or defeat. In this context, being flat on your back can symbolize a situation where one is overcome by circumstances, akin to a wrestler being pinned down on the mat. For instance, the sudden financial crisis left the company flat on its back, implies that the company was in a vulnerable, incapacitated position. Let's see how to weave this idiom into everyday conversations. 1. Health context. After catching the flu, Maria was flat on her back for a whole week. 2. Defeat or challenges. The team was confident, but the unexpected defeat left them flat on their backs. Using the phrase in various contexts helps in understanding its versatility and how it adds flavor to the language. And that's a wrap on the phrase, flat on your back. From a literal physical position to expressing states of health, vulnerability, or defeat, this idiom enriches our communication by adding depth and imagery. We hope this video has illuminated this colorful expression for you. Keep exploring, and remember, every idiom you learn adds a vibrant stroke to your language canvas. See you in the next video.